Hello YouTubers, this is review or unpacking and first test from my treadmill that I got from Walmart. Supposedly it says up to 300 people they can use it. So that's the power cord with some lubricant and Allen wrench and some bolts. So it has wheels on the front side. So it looks like even though it says it's foldable, after you secure it, it's not going to be foldable. So you have this cool bracket sliding through these holes, and that's where you can lay a remote control. To secure that bracket, you have two tools today, one Allen wrench and one for Phillips screwdriver, or you can grab your own screwdriver actually. You screw it through these two holes on the bottom. Just like that. That's how you secure it. The bracket. And now you have these two holes on each side to secure this arm. So treadmill comes with remote control and two AAA size batteries. So in case this one will die, make sure that you have AAA to turn it off and on. To open the remote control, you just slide it. Make sure you put the batteries correctly. And slide it, push until it clicks. Power cable, there's only one way, you cannot really screw it up. Plug it in, plug it into a wall. There is an off switch and on switch on the side. Then it starts showing the signs of life. So let's see how it works without me first. So I give you time. So that's the speed number one. You push play, and the same button you actually stop and start. It's a pause basically, and then so let's start. See how it goes. Warning. Pick up a speed. So in my case, I am 222 pounds. It works fine on that weight. It says it should work for people up to 300. So that's what it is. The handle for tall people like myself, I'd say a little bit low. And then again. Let's see if the obviously this is not the best walking shoes, but so that's what this treadmill is all about from Walmart. I don't know how long it's gonna last. If it's gonna last over a year, obviously I'm gonna have a updated video tell you the story of this thing, but that's what this machine looked like. I mean, really easy to assemble. I mean, it's just a couple of screws and it's done and it's good to go. Like I said, the only thing is, actually, I think it's false on the box, or if you're gonna buy it from the Walmart website, it says that it's a foldable. Well, it's not. I mean, every time to make it to fold, to make this arm fold, you have to unscrew these two screws on each side, here and over there. Other than that, it's not very big. I mean, should be good enough for walking. I don't know about running, but for walking inside the home in the bad weather, I think it looks okay to me. So thank you for watching.